Yo, what's up my gamers? It's Ryan, the gamer here. Today I'll be teaching you how to make the Shulker Box Unloader. Very simple, very efficient, and very compact. This build will only be 6 blocks high, 7 blocks long, and 3 blocks wide. The only thing that is not needed for this build is the white stained glass. That's just supposed to be any block. So what you need to get started, take your blocks, your dispenser, your hoppers, your piston, and now let's start. Start by placing a pillar of 4 blocks. Like this. Now, place a block right there and behind. Place your hopper on top of the chest. And while grabbing your trapdoor, you want to make sure you place down your dispenser. Put some blocks behind the hopper. Put down your piston facing down. Now grab your transparent blocks. For this, I already told you that's just any type of block that you choose. You can just make it concrete if you want. Now you want to grab your comparator, your redstone, and your torches, along with your repeaters. Now place a hopper facing into the dispenser. You will soon put your chest where they are. Put down a button. This is only a temporary solution to starting your machine. Now you want to face a comparator out of it. So when the shulker is placed down by the dispenser, it would pick it up. Now you want to start by placing blocks in a O-shaped pattern, like this. Place a torch, place a block on top, place a dropper facing up, comparator facing out like that. Put hopper, place it in a dropper, place your non-stackable item. Now you want to start by placing a block with your redstone. Now you're going to have to place your observer. But first, let's place a repeater on 1 tick delay. So here I'm trying to put that observer down. Let's grab it first. And you're going to, of course, want to put it down with a repeater on a certain amount of tick delay. Okay. Now you want to make sure the arrow is facing down. Put it on a 4 tick delay. Place a block in front of that. And then place a block also in front of the other repeater. Place redstone on top of the piston. Now you can gladly surround your piston in a certain pattern. Place your trapdoor. Close it. It's probably best to close it right now. Grab your stairs. Just stair. And grab your warning glass block. Place it right there. grab an item frame. With an item, I'm just using Shulker Box for your chest. This will be labeled for where to put your shulkers. For the last bits, you want to place a block, a repeater, and this is going to be a 2-tick delay. Now, how this works, you place it in your full shulker boxes. I'm going to be using my example shulker boxes. They're just full with wooden swords. Press the button to start it. Watch it fill up. Now you can make this chest anything that you want. You can hook it up to your item sorter, and once it's done, it automatically replaces it. And bada bing. Please like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching. Game on.